Last April, I started off with Zentangle mini projects across social media platforms. When the entire world was shutting down, it was my way of staying sane and sharing my skills sitting at home. I knew these projects would for sure bring in some great joy and relief among others who are following and creating these along with me. Since then, I've been getting a lot of messages from Zendies with questions like, how do I know more about this? How do I go deeper with the techniques? How can I refine my skills? The more I got such questions, it got me thinking for a way out to start or create a place where all the tanglers could learn new techniques and skills, refine their work, and cut out all the social media overwhelm. So that's how Serene was born. So I want to introduce Serene. Serene is a place um, to untangle with Zentangle, prioritizing self-care with mindful creativity throughout the month with monthly tools, resources, and guided tangle projects to grow your skills, plus community support to experience consistent long-term growth in your Zentangle journey. I have planned out a syllabus for the rest of the year, and you can download this on the website www.sandhyamoneystudio.com. So here's how I have planned out the syllabus. Every month we will have 4 modules. All lessons drop on Thursdays at 7:30 p.m. India time. So week 1 we start with Tangle Scroll, which is all about building the basics, and no matter what stage you are in, going back to the basics always helps, and that's the way to go. Week 2 is Tangle Mastery, where the lessons are focused on discovering new techniques, tricks, tips, and things like that. Week 3 is Tangle Artistry, where the lessons are geared towards exploring new mediums and basically creating a beautiful project. All of these Tangle Scroll, Tangle Mastery, and Tangle Artistry are all mini projects. So they all have one small goal. So we learn a new technique or we learn how to create these. And on week 4, we have live Q&A where we talk, we call this as Tangle Talks. We meet and we share our wins, our fails, and I help you with practical insights and gentle critiques. All these lessons in the syllabus are designed to build the basics, discovering new techniques, and exploring new mediums. All of this on month. The best part is we do this in a community, the Serene community, without any overwhelm. The best part is that you get to watch these videos. These are all of these modules are pre-recorded except the live Q&A. So you get to watch them at your own pace and create your projects at your own pace. So they're all recorded and you can go back to your lessons whenever you require them. So you can download the syllabus on the website www.sandhyamoneystudio.com. So do check that out, and I have a waitlist form there. So if you're interested in, please do sign up on the waitlist so you get to know when we open the doors on the 26th of July. That is next Monday. So as soon as we open the doors, you'll be the first one to know. So do get on the list and do check out the website www.sandhyamoneystudio.com.